Welcome to our channel. We're proud to be leaders in Taiwan's industrial sewing machine industry, with years of experience manufacturing, supplying, and exporting industrial sewing machines. At our company, we prioritize quality and competitive pricing to ensure our customers get the best products. Let's dive into the features of our CTEC 300W/300U industrial sewing machines. These heavy-duty machines are designed to handle the toughest materials, including denim, leather, and canvas. Whether you're sewing curtains, car seats, or parachutes, our machines deliver exceptional performance. Plus, they're made right here in Taiwan, with meticulous attention to detail in every component. CTEC offers a variety of 300W and 300U models to suit your needs. From single needle to multi-needle options, we have machines for every application. Need a lighter option? Check out our A series, featuring aluminum parts for reduced weight and noise levels. No matter the model, you can count on durability and precision stitching. Our customers love the reliability and performance of our industrial sewing machines. Whether you're a small business or a large-scale manufacturer, our machines deliver consistent results. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from satisfied customers who've trusted CTEC for their sewing needs. Ready to elevate your sewing capabilities? Contact us today to learn more about our CTEC 300W/300U industrial sewing machines. Choose CTEC for quality, reliability, and superior performance. For more information and to explore our full range of products, visit our official website. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Choose CTEC.